I still pray to give me my son back, to just let him be in his bed sleeping when I wake up in the morning, or just let him walk through the front door. Let it be a damn dream. We don't deserve to live like this. My kids don't deserve to feel this pain of the loss of their brother. Like, it's hard that, I'm grieving the loss of my child, but my other kids are grieving the loss of their brother, and they don't like to talk to me about it because, they see me, trying to freaking cope. It's not fair. One stupid person wrecked a family. One person. Because he was in too big of a hurry. If you're running late, that's your damn fault. There's no need for you to speed, to not stop at stop signs, and to be freaking careless. Look out for motorcyclists. I'm so tired of people always like, it's the motorcyclist's fault. Well, they shouldn't have been fucking speeding. Well, they shouldn't have been on a crotch rocket, as y'all call them. I call them sports bikes. Whatever. Who gives a shit what you think about the person? Doesn't matter if you think they're good or bad people. Me? I've learned they're amazing people. They are God-loving people. And they have families waiting at home just like you do. Stop at the stop sign. Stop at the red light. Look twice. For God's sakes, if it's dark and you're like, oh, is that something coming? I don't know. Fucking wait. Wait until you know you are 100% clear to pull out. That's it. That's it. Yeah, I have anger built up because my fucking kid is not here. My kid is not here because of another kid. He was 17 and he took a life. Like, why? If he wanted to be that stupid in that big a hurry, why couldn't he be dead and not my kid? Tell me that. Tell me why I had to be a good kid who believed in God, who got baptized, and was spreading the word. He was telling people, look, you need to find Jesus, but you got to stop smoking weed first. Like, he was good. And that right there, because he took somebody good and left the pure evil person in that car, the father has a rap sheet a mile long. Drug charges. Kidnapping charges. Possession. I already said drug charges. Grand theft. Like, his rap sheet is so long, I don't understand why he's out walking. This is where our system has freaking failed us. I'm done for now.